I mean, even my grandma doesn't have a landline anymore, so that's saying something.
Yeah. What about you, Amanda? Do you have a landline?
Well, I was just talking with Buna, with Basil and Rose, and she actually saved money by getting rid of your landline. And I think that's why a lot of us did it. Consolidate into the cell phone, right? Welcome to the show.
Well, thank you.
And you are one of my favorite people to have on the show. You have the gift of providing food for yourself in this crazy time of people panic buying.
Well,
Is that
if they're
a good skill to have?
quarantined, yes. And even if you're not.
Right, okay, so you are teaching us today what we can plant now that the weather's giving us a little bit of sun. Is this something we should do every year or only when we have a pretty mild end of winter?
Well, usually by March you can plant all these things, and there'll be lists showing up on the screen. But, because these are things that even if it snows on it or we get a little bit of frost, they're just fine.
So this is weather appropriate, end of winter, into March, into spring.
Yes.
This is what you can plant now. Can you take me through this?
So pretty much everything we eat the leaves of, not basil, but arugula, spinach, lettuce, cabbage family, chard kale, all those things. And then all your root vegetables, beets, carrots, onions, and then things like peas, cilantro, and dill.
Really? Now, have you actually tried this? And they survive?
Yes.
Okay.
In fact, I've had spinach that I planted in the fall and it didn't get very big and it just kept growing in the spring.
Really? So it can get snowed on, it can have a frost come through, and it's okay. Okay, well that's good to know. Now, should we be preparing these garden beds just like we do every year, or is there something special they need to grow this time of year, to be planted this time of year?
I don't till at all. I grow some of mine in raised beds and some just in the ground.
Yeah.
And I just put compost down and I plant.
Very nice.
Now, if your soil's damp and you're going to be working in it at all, you need to let it dry out some.
Okay.
But I don't have to because of the way I garden.
You have the right kind of soil, which is compost.
And I don't till.
Yeah, and you don't till. I actually hear that tilling can disturb a lot of the natural ecosystem in your earth.
It can damage the microorganisms in the soil, and it can actually spread weeds.
Well, that's good to know. I actually started composting last year with my cute worms in their bin, and I'm excited to have some compost to use, and very excited that I can actually go out and start planting now. So, you showed us one list. Do you have another list you were saying?
Yes, there's another list. So these are things you can plant from plants or seeds.
Okay.
The other things are, it's pretty much anything, but this one, plants or seeds. So broccoli, cabbage, kale, cilantro, and dill, sometimes people start the seeds ahead of time and then plant them outside.
So you could go out right now and put a broccoli seed in the ground and it could be fine.
Or a
That is
plant.
so interesting. Or a starter plant.
Yes.
Okay. And with the first list you showed us, would those be seeds that we put in the ground or the starter plants?
Those be seeds, except for the second list I showed could be either one.
Okay, well that's really good to know that we can just plant the seeds. I'm always scared to do the seeds because when you buy the starter plants already at the nursery, you kind of feel like you can't mess that one up. But with the seeds, I hear that those are actually pretty foolproof.
Yes, and if you're planting a root vegetable, it's actually better to plant the seed right in the ground because you're not disturbing that root of the carrot or whatever. And spinach and lettuce are just really easy to plant and peas, just really easy to plant the seeds directly in the ground.
Okay, now do you sell these seeds and planting materials? What do you sell at Basil and Rose?
So we have compost of different kinds. We have different kinds of open pollinated seeds, which means you can save the seed from the plant to grow it next year. And we have starter plants of things in the cabbage family and a few herbs, and we'll be getting more herbs and these onions.
So you can get started right now, and I know a lot of people like me, they want to get those gardens going so you don't have to rely on anyone but yourself.
Right.
Thank you so much.
Sure,
where can we go and find you at Basil and Rose?
Basil and Rose is 2110 Orchard Drive in Bountiful.
Okay, thank you so much. Good
Sure.
stuff.
Thanks,
and
Amanda.
we've got a lot more coming up like this.